सीधे आपको मुंबई लिए चलेंगे, जहां पर एमबीए छात्रों के बीच राहुल गांधी सवालों का जवाब दे रहे हैं। बीजेपी पर उन्होंने हमला बोला है। उन्होंने कहा है कि जीएसटी के मुद्दे पर बीजेपी ने अब तक जो कुछ किया है वो नाकाफी है। बीजेपी पर निशाना साधते हुए उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा, सुनिए।
If suddenly the tax rate skyrockets into the sky, so that is the basic point. Arun Jaitley ji came to see me to give you an idea, and it was stated in the press. He had a long conversation with me about GST. The reality is, Mr. Arun Jaitley came to invite me for his daughter's wedding. That's the reality. And the only conversation about GST that was held was he told me GST is good. And I know GST is good. He doesn't have to tell me GST is good. So the government doesn't believe in a conversation. You know, even the land bill. There was a compromise possible in the land bill. But they were not interested in a conversation. They were like, look, we don't care what the Congress party has to say. There is a compromise possible on the GST. It's sitting on the table. The government is not taking it. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Sir, do you think politicians should stay away from the administration of cricket bodies or beat any sports bodies in our country, like the recent DDCA scam, and follow the other countries' model? Because as a country, we lag behind in sports.
100%. A short answer. I don't think politicians should be anywhere near the...
तो यहाँ पर राहुल गांधी ने बीजेपी पर निशाना साधते हुए कहा कि बीजेपी रोक रही है जीएसटी बिल। वहीं जब उनसे सवाल पूछा गया कि क्या जो स्पोर्ट्स संस्थाएं हैं उनके मैनेजमेंट में राजनीतिक हस्तियां होनी चाहिए नहीं, उस पर भी उनसे सवाल किया गया। उन्होंने कहा कि क्रिकेट में राजनेताओं को नहीं होना चाहिए, राजनीति से जुड़े लोगों को क्रिकेट के किसी भी बोर्ड में शामिल नहीं होना चाहिए।